Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Excel boxes bigger. You'll learn quick and easy ways to adjust your spreadsheet layout. We'll cover how to manually resize rows and columns, ensuring your data fits perfectly. Plus, I'll share some handy tricks for automatically adjusting cell sizes to save you time. Get ready to make your Excel sheets look exactly how you want them, with clear and readable content. To adjust row height, simply hover your mouse over the line between two row numbers in the header. Your cursor will change to a double-headed arrow. Click and drag up or down to make the row taller or shorter. For more control, right-click a row header, choose Row Height, and type in a precise number such as 25 points. This ensures consistent spacing across your spreadsheet. Adjusting column width is very similar to rows. Move your cursor to the line between two column letters in the header until it becomes a double-headed arrow. Then, click and drag left or right to widen or narrow the column. If you need an exact measurement, right-click the column header, select Column Width, and enter a number like 15 characters for perfect alignment. For a quick fit, double-click the boundary between row or column headers. Excel will automatically adjust to the content. Also, if your text is too long for a cell, select the cell and click Wrap Text in the Home tab. This makes the cell taller to show all your content without widening the column. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.